Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Roblox not launching problem. So if you're facing this issue, the first thing you need to do is delete your Roblox from your PC. So if you have Roblox downloaded on your PC, remove it first. So I'm going to do that real quick, and don't worry, after the process is complete, we're going to reinstall Roblox again, so you don't have to worry about it. As you guys can see, Roblox is over here. I will just uninstall it. Now once I uninstall Roblox, I need to do this. I need to search for CMD over here. Once I search for CMD, I need to click on command prompt. You want to type cd space appdata/local. Once you type this, press enter. And now you want to type this. And over here you want to write this rmdir space/s space roblox. Once you write that, press enter. Now over here you need to enter y and press enter again. And once you do that, you have completed this step. Now you can just close this and then re-download Roblox and open Roblox. It should launch this time. So that is how you guys can fix a Roblox not launching issue. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.